Drone technology is advancing by leaps and bounds these days. The sky is now a frontier where new services and values are being developed. At the same time, drones can be a threat to our society. Important facilities such as airports, military bases, stadiums, and other infrastructures must be protected from the significant threat of drone-based attacks. Toshiba is working to keep skies safe and secure by providing a counter-UAS solution. Though we usually don't notice, drones are everywhere. Their small size makes them difficult to detect, not just with the naked eye, but also with conventional systems. To combat dangerous drones, a more specialized, swift, and reliable system is required. Our system consists of various sensors such as radar, cameras, RF sensors, and so on. By combining the best features of each, drones can be detected faster and more accurately. Conventional countermeasures such as radio jamming and guns may cause serious collateral damage. An intruding drone may be carrying hazardous materials which, if the drone were to crash, could harm crowds of bystanders. A safer, more dependable, and more predictable way to neutralize dangerous drones is required. Toshiba's counter-UAS solution responds to suspicious drones in 4 steps: detection, tracking, identification, and countermeasure. These goals are accomplished thanks to a secure multi-layered system integrating various devices with different strengths. First step, detection. Long-range radar detects not only drones, but also other objects flying at a distance. Operators can monitor situations from early stages and be prepared to respond quickly. An RF sensor detects radio frequencies used by drones. Operators can judge which targets are drones. When targets intrude deeper into the area, middle-range radar detects their positions with a high level of accuracy. Each layer of defense uses different sensors to detect contacts, which allows threats to be discovered promptly and reliably. Second step, tracking. Targets are continuously tracked by the medium-range radar and the RF sensor. Simultaneously, the camera automatically captures video of the target based on the detection information from each sensor. The tracking status is kept up to date and can be monitored in the control terminal in real time. Third step, identification. Detected and tracked targets are automatically identified, categorized, and analyzed in terms of threat level by AI-based software. Operators can make appropriate decisions based on the analysis results. Fourth step, countermeasure. When the target's threat level is assessed to be high, the autonomous hunting drone is deployed. Locking onto the target, the autonomous hunting drone shoots a net to capture the intruder. Our system has 2 modes to deal with threats. Attack mode, pursuing a target autonomously and capturing it. Defense mode, waiting for a fast target to approach, then capturing it. Captured targets are towed away to the safe location. Threats can be eliminated safely without resulting in collateral damage on the ground. Toshiba's counter-UAS solution integrates autonomous hunting drones, short-range radar, middle-range radar, cameras, RF sensors, and long-range radar. Each of them complements the others, and together they form a comprehensive and reliable defense. The sky is becoming a place where new services and businesses are offered. Toshiba is contributing to the development of global society by providing airspace safety in the new era.